So this is the very first time I'm going to create a very bold eye look. Before this I haven't tried any smudgy eye. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to create this bold smudgy eye makeup look. Alright guys, so I'm already done with my skincare and primer, and now I'm using Biotic Magic Care All Day Foundation, which has SPF 15 as well, perfect for daily use. And I'm using orange color corrector under my eyes and covering all the dark spots and dark areas of my face. After applying a good amount of color corrector, you need to wait for some time. Now I'm smudging with the help of my fingers only. Since this makeup is going to be concealer free and I'm not going to use concealer, so just blend and blend your foundation thoroughly, and again apply some foundation under your eyes, on your eyelids, and if you see some visible spots you can also apply there, and again start blending. It is very important to cover all your orange color. Okay, and this time I haven't wet my brush. This is completely dry, and this is for the very first time I'm using a brush to blend. As you can see, I have blended all over my face and neck. Okay, so it's time for setting up your face with loose powder. I'm doing it with Lakme Rose Powder under my eyes, over the lids and all over the face, T-zone. Okay, so now I'm done with applying powder, so it's time to set my brows. I love this 2-in-1 Swiss Beauty Spot, which consists of kajal and this eyeshadow kind of thing, which I can use to set my brows, and also I can use it as an eyeshadow. Alright, again this palette from Nykaa. This is one of my favorite palettes. It has so many nude and matte shades, and also these blusher shades, which I'm using currently on my eyelids. Alright, so covering all over my lids, I'm just blending it nicely with a medium size brush, and again then I'm taking a light color eyeshadow and applying it on the center towards my inner corner and blending them together. Apply the same eyeshadow under your eyes. Okay, so again taking this pot, and I'm going to apply kajal with the help of this slant brush, and I'm going to apply it on my upper waterline first. This process is very tricky, though my hands are not thorough on this, but I'm trying my level best. This gives a very nice and fuller effect to your kajal. Okay, so I'm applying this kajal on my liner area as usual as we apply the eyeliner, and then smudging it with the help of a small thin brush. Alright, if you want to create a wing at this point of time, you can also create, and smudging it nicely. And after applying kajal on the lower waterline, smudge it by taking a brown or black color eyeshadow. Just make sure you smudge your kajal properly, and at this point of time you can even smudge it more if you want more smudgy eyes. Alright, clearing off the powder that we have applied earlier. Okay, so now I'm taking this highlighter and applying it on my inner corner of the eyes, going upwards. So now we are almost done with the makeup and applying this highlighter on the high points of the face, and it's time to seal the kajal with the help of eyeliner. I'm applying a very thin line of this liner on my eyelids. You can even create a wing if you want. Here I'm not creating a wing, and now it's time for the mascara. Okay, so this time I'm creating a bold eye look, so that's why I would like to keep my blusher towards the subtle side. Okay, so this time for the lip liner, which is from Mars. This is in the nude shade, and I totally love this color, and its texture is creamy, but it's amazing. Alright, so now I'm using this lip and cheek tint from Swiss Beauty. This is totally amazing. You can use this on your cheeks, on your lips. You can contour with this. You can use it on your eyelids. This is multi-purpose one shade. Okay, so guys, I'm finally done with my makeup, and don't forget to use your setting spray. And I followed the very basic makeup routine that I usually do, that too without concealer. So I hope you like this video, and don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to me. I'll see you in my next one.